Are you looking for the best blood glucose monitor kit? Well, we've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and grab that Mike Vance knife right there so we can open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys. Hit up that for me right there. So this is everything that is in the kit. And I have my wife here so that she can poke herself and we can check her glucose. So first of all, got this little case right here. Open that up, and you have
Test strips.
Are the test strips. You got your meter right there. Let me make sure that the battery is in there, and then you also have a little case right there. It says perfect little case to be able to put things in if you need that. So this is 30 and 30. So Fine and Mighty Fine. This one's for medium or typical skin, and this one is for softer skin. So I don't know which one you want to choose there. We turned it on, and it gives you, it's like the date, the time, and then whenever you go to prick your finger, it'll show the reading on there in milligrams per deciliter.
Open that one.
Oh, need that Mike Vance knife again. There we go.
Oh.
That one there. Oh, there's actually even another one here. The orange one is a fine one. So there's 3 different kinds of needles you can get. So that one is, the purple one is a 30 gram or 1.6 millimeter depth. The Mighty Fine is a 1 millimeter depth. And then the Fine is a 1.8 millimeter depth. So I don't know. We'll go with the middle one.
Yeah.
Then we have, this is the glucose control solution right there.
You need to recalibrate it.
Yeah, and then there we go. This is going to be the test strip. You got to put this into here first, into the meter first. You get a bunch of those in there, by the way. There's 50 test strips in there, so that should last you a good while. And which way does it go in? Probably this way, yeah. So put the little part with the line sticking out goes into the meter right here. It's gonna beep at you. Hold on. Got that film thing on there.
How do you do this?
I believe that you just press it onto yourself on your finger. Oh, wait, there's some.
Let's look at the instructions.
No, I thought there was some wipes that you
Probably just
use to be able, like an alcohol wipe, to be able to clean. Is that it? No. Maybe it's inside of this one here. No. Huh.
Does it tell you on the back side how to use it? There we go.
Right there. There you go.
Twist off the protective cap.
Ah. There you go.
Put the lancet against the sampling site and press lancet quickly to activate.
Okay. Hold it up so they can see.
Wasn't bad.
That wasn't bad. Did it do it?
Yeah.
Enough coming out?
Maybe. I feel like I could have used a thicker prick.
Okay. So.
But we don't have the orange, huh?
No, we don't have the orange. This is.
I might be able to get enough.
Okay.
I don't know. Give me another.
Another pricker?
Another doohickey.
So I guess like testing it out with different ones will kind of help you know which ones you need to get in the future. Well, you got a good bit there.
I don't know if that's going to be enough.
You want to test it or no?
Try it.
It says that you don't need a lot.
Okay.
Just tip it, touch it with the tip.
Oh,
Hey, yeah, there
okay.
you go.
You don't need much at all.
So it's gonna need a little countdown right there. Let's see what you got going on.
I ate a lot of dried fruit.
123.
Not bad.
Yeah, not bad at all. Awesome. So super simple to use. Big numbers on there so you can read it very easily as well. And then like I said, it comes with that little travel case right here. So if you need to bring it with you, you can do that as well. But
That's the smallest amount of blood I've ever had to put on a test strip before.
oh, really?
Yeah, so
okay.
that's great.
Yeah, that's impressive. So if y'all are looking for an excellent blood glucose monitor kit, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these right here. Y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys picking that up for us. Y'all go and add this to your cart. Thank you to these guys for sending this to us so we could show y'all how it works. And Dad out.